Hi guys, welcome back to FM Driving School, online virtual driving lessons. In today's lesson, we're going to just go through a few roads which are a bit narrow and going uphill, dealing with tight situations. So here's our first scenario. I've slowed down the speed of the video just so I can show you the road. Here we go. Now, as you can see, very narrow, not enough space for two cars. We can already see it's 20 miles an hour road. What we're looking at for is cars coming. We got space here on the left to relax, to stop for any cars, and give them way. So here we're looking at for situations if there's cars approaching us, we need to know where to stop to give them way, and for them to stop for us to go as well. As we get towards the road, you can see. Again, you can't see on the left and right, so it's quite a narrow road. We're going to get to the junction, move back in slightly to the left, and then stop at the junction and scan left and right. Now, as you can see in this clip, I've waited, I've edged out slightly, a car came from the left. I'm still waiting because I can see a bike, edging out slightly, looking left and right, and as I go ahead, now it's clear. So now, once we're into the road, we can see far ahead, we can see a zebra crossing. We're scanning left and right, nobody's to our left and right. We can see a pedestrian there, but he's not crossing. And up ahead, going uphill, very narrow road. I can see speed signs on the floor, pedestrian, very narrow road, so we're watching out for any cars or buses approaching. 20 miles again on the road. Now at this stage, we're probably taking gear 2. Definitely do not take in gear 3 unless your car is a little bit more powerful. Most driving instructors' cars are quite small. And as we go over the hill, now it's quite clear to see again another zebra crossing. So again, another zebra crossing, and we're just again scanning, making sure no one crosses. Now we're just going to speed up the video since it's a straight road, and make sure you stay at 20 miles an hour. A few cyclists we have to be careful of. There's one on the left, he may come onto the road, and this van slightly on our path. Bit silly of him, but anyway, we make sure we're at 20. We brake because of these two pedestrians, and also there's a bend here, so make sure you take in gear 2. Alright, so now we're coming up to the juicy part of the road, and we can see it's a crossroad. Let me just pause it. So anyway, here we have the still image of the road that we were on. So we're turning right. This is a crossroad. So any oncoming cars, they have priority. So this van here, if he was going straight or left, we have to give him the priority. We have to wait for him. Now the arrow in the middle of the road isn't letting you know where to wait. So it's kind of helping you out here. The green light suggests that we're allowed to go to the middle and wait if the right of the road is clear. Now, if it was red light, we wait behind the stop line. If you're already in the middle of the road and the light goes to red, you have to now go. Okay, so we're just going to take it back to the clip. So here we are, we're driving forward into the center of the road as it's a green light. We wait for the van, he has priority. So we could either slow it down so he can pass, or we can stop, but we're going to slow it down. And as we drive, we can see a pedestrian on the left. Look, you can see she's about to cross. A bit dangerous for us because we're driving, she's crossing, and when she shouldn't be. And that's it. That's really the end of the whole video. We've got a few more videos coming up. Any roads that you want us to discuss, send it to us and we'll go through it. Thank you for checking us out. Take care. Bye.